If you've been seeing ads for the Nessally cooling ace everywhere, you're probably wondering if it's actually worth buying or if it's just another overhyped gadget. After looking into it, here's my take. The Nessally cooling ace isn't a true air conditioner. It's actually a portable evaporative air cooler designed to cool the air directly around you, not an entire room. That means if you're expecting it to replace your home AC, you're probably going to be disappointed. Independent reviews also point out that many of the marketing claims exaggerate what the device can realistically do. That said, it isn't completely useless. If you work at a desk, sleep with it on your nightstand, or need a little personal cooling in a small space, it can provide some relief, especially when used with cold water or ice. My biggest concern is the marketing. The ads make it sound like a powerful portable air conditioner, when in reality it's much closer to a personal cooling fan. So, would I recommend buying it? Only if you understand its limitations. If you're looking for personal cooling, it's worth considering. But if you expect it to cool an entire room, you'll likely end up disappointed.